You did crazy, oh, you ain't on the payroll. Can't be hanging with the same bros. We don't even go to the same shows. So please be quiet. I'm being polite. You did crazy, oh, you ain't.
Hello guys and girls, and welcome back. It's your boy Big John. The at's at the bottom of the screen if you like to listen to my music. So is all the relevant information I'll be speaking about in this video. And today we're going to be going over the daily analysis I do for the major pairs. I have decided to add Gbpjpy to this list this time. I thought, you know what, instead of using NZD/USD, which I could use, I said let's use Gbpjpy. It is known as the pair that they like to call the dragon. So let's see if we can tame this dragon. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, we are back on my chart. I have Euro USD here. I have the daily time frame. I have the weekly time frame. That's over on the right. And we can see the continuation of the buy that I did call out on Euro USD from the first day of market open. And we can see there was an indecision yesterday what happened in the market. So let's just move this out of the way quickly. So we can see that there's an indecision right here. So the market has left some type of liquidity down here on the daily time frame, and it's left another one here. So as long as it respects one of these two levels, so this level here, or let's get out a cursor so you can see this. So as long as it respects this level here or respects this level here, then we should be seeing a continuation buy towards this level here. This is what I would say. If it does want to go further, then it can go towards here, but that might be something that could happen next week, or if there's a fundamental news event. But overall, I'm looking at a level like here, and then possibly a rejection back down on EU or something like that. But we're looking at a continuation of a buy, hopefully so, as long as these levels here are respected. Gbpjpy, we can see a similar turn of events here. Like I said, I have put Gbpjpy in here as well, so I hope that does help people. We can see that there is an indecision candle that was left yesterday, so the market was obviously consolidating yesterday, and we see there's liquidity to here and liquidity to this zone here. As long as the market respects this zone here, or does break and respects around this zone here, then we can be finding some type of level of support forming here, and it can do a continuation for a buy up to this zone around about here. But once again, when I say respecting, we want to see the market start breaking up, and then we want to start seeing the market on lower time frames finding this level right here, 150.572. We want to see it acting as a support. If it acts as a support, then we could say a continuation of a buy to cover this liquidity. We can also see here from previously that the market did find a nice level of support here on the daily time frame, 1, 2, but it has left a massive liquidity spike down here. So this being left here alone, it could mean that once the market does go to this level, it can now reverse, go back down, and want to cover this. So that's something for us to be aware of as well. GBPUSD, we can see the clear continuation of the buy it has done. Similar to the other pairs, it looks like there was an indecision in the market today. So we can see something across the board that there was with Tuesday. You know, they did do big, strong moves on Monday. So these said pairs here, we're looking at a lot of the majors. They didn't seem to have a decision on which way they wanted to go on the market day of Tuesday. So what we're seeing now is that the market could most likely, as long as it starts to respect some type of levels of support, we can see right here, this level here, so 1.37277. If it respects this level as a level of support and doesn't act as a resistance, then we could be seeing a buy up to clear this liquidity here on the day. So that's what I'll be looking for. So far, I'm looking at the level of support being respected, and then a continuation of a buy up to this level. That is for GBPUSD. USD Japanese yen, we are still seeing the same thing here. This is what I'm talking about, and whilst we do this daily, this is going to start to train your eyes to understand what you're seeing in the market from top-down analysis. So even if we zoom out, we can see we did have a previous trend here for a long buy, little bit of a sell coming here, and now it seems the market's gone into some type of higher time frame consolidation. If we zoom back in, we can see it's leaving so much liquidity to these zones right here. So we've got a lot of liquidity to the top side, and now a fair bit of liquidity to the downside. So I'm just waiting for this pair to do some type of breakout to the upside or to the downside, and then I'll figure out what I want to do with this pair. But right now I'll be staying away from it because it's not seeming to make any sense to me. USDCHF, we've got a similar turn of events here. The market's still consolidating. I mean, you're not really seeing too much here. So we need some type of breakout to go to maybe around this level here, or a breakout to go towards this level here. something like this. If we see some type of breakout going there and we see a consolidation, well, then we could be looking for a better direction of where the market could go towards, and that will make a lot more sense for us in terms of trading. But for now, even when we go to the weekly time frame, we can see there's so much liquidity to this zone. So more than anything, I would say we want to find some type of level of support around here, and then a continuation buy, or even a level of support here to clear this liquidity here, and then eventually buy up to this zone around here. AUD USD. Now this is a bit better. This is what I'm talking about. So the other pairs that looked similar to this, especially like GU in that, you can see there wasn't an indecision here. So more than likely there was something with the Aud pairs. I do know Euro Aud and GBP Aud did a massive sell. So therefore this Aud pair seemed to do a massive buy. So it did quite a strong one. So this is why sometimes I just trade multiple pairs, different types of pairs, because I look at the market sometimes and we're not going to know specifically which ones are going to do what move at what time. You know, maybe if you do a bigger in-depth look into fundamentals and stuff like that, you can have a better idea. You know, there's always things like that that can help you, but I try not to overthink Forex, so I just trade multiple pairs. And you can see that this one right here did manage to do a continuation of a buy. And where did it go to? It went to the exact zone that we marked out for the last 2 days now. So if you was in this trade, you would have been able to now catch 129 pips. That's 129 pips I gave out to absolutely everybody for free on YouTube. Come on now, if you haven't already liked, comment, shared and subscribed, come on, what more do you want me to do for you? Like, I'm telling you, this is only the start of what you're seeing here. And this is what I do in my mentorship as well. You know, the Zoom call I had today midday with my mentorship students was an eye opener. I was showing them even how I'm trading live trades as well and taking them, so they could see exactly how you could gain entry into the market. So I'm telling you, like, come on, if you don't want to get into here, you want to be a bit more private, jump into the mentorship, hit me up. If not, come onto YouTube, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, let the world know that I'm giving out some of these pips, man. These are pips right here, so you can see. So let's get back into it. So what I think might happen now is that the market might break this area up here, and then we could see a continuation. I mean, if we look at the weekly time frame, we have a lot of liquidity towards this zone up here. We could be seeing a rejection of this level and maybe a sell back down to find the support either here or I'd say around about this zone here. So if not, if it does smash straight through and everything seems to be perfect for a bullish momentum, maybe because Aud has something with it, maybe fundamentals, then we're looking at a level of interest around here where the market will go and clear the weekly liquidity. That's what we're looking at. So I'm looking at either a rejection of this zone, some consolidation, but overall it would make more sense to me the way the market is looking for a continuation of a buy up to around about here. Usdcad. Now this is great. I love it when we see this type of stuff. So you see your boy's not playing with you here. We can see the clear sell that happened right here. We marked out this zone from before the market even went to this area. I'm telling you, if you're not following your boy, you left me, you abandoned me. I know some of you out there abandoned me. Come home, come home. Come home and stop flirting with those other people and come home. Look at what's happening here. We had a clear level of support that was touched right here, and we had a sell all the way from the top here. Look at this trade. I gave this whole trade out. This is almost a 200 pip trade right now. You can see right here. So the market did go and clear this liquidity. It even broke this area, so it's not even respecting it at the moment. So hold on, let's go down into a lower time frame and see what we see. Let's see what wagwan in the lower time frame. So we can see here our next level of support would be around here. So let's just get this out so you can see. We'll be looking for the market to go to around this level here. So this is 1.25462. So if the market goes here and finds a support, then we could be looking at a continuation of our buy. There's also the weekly liquidity right here. If you look at the weekly time frame, there's a liquidity pool right here. I don't know if it'll go all the way down here. That is a very big sell. It's not impossible. It's a very, very big sell. But if anything, it could find a level of support around here, and then we could be seeing some type of consolidation. And then let's go back to the daily time frame. So let's just get rid of this. We could be seeing a continuation buyback up. We know what it's going to do. This is called the ICU technical analysis, not the ICU strategy. This is the ICU technical analysis with those eyeballs. If you're in my Discord, you know I always love doing my eyeballs. So you can see right here, there's a liquidity spike here. So if it does find a level of support on this level, we're going to see a continuation buy most likely to go and clear this liquidity right here. On that note, we can see that I've done a nice technical analysis of what we can see. Please, like I said, if you have not liked, comment, shared or subscribed, please do so. It is free to subscribe. Come on now, don't be a hater. just subscribe. And then on the other note, if you'd like to get into mentorship, all of my information is in the description below for a referral link for TradingView, so you can get some coins off your monthly TradingView payments. And if you'd like to, like I said, get into mentorship, there's a link for my Discord. You hit me up and you can get into that. If we just have a discussion, I'll show you what everything is and what the price packages are. And then if you want to get into signals as well at the same time, everything is there. If not, on my YouTube channel, there's a video called Signals. Like, I'll put the link up in the top right here. You'll see, you can just click on there and it has all the information in there. So on that note, I'm going to love and leave you because it's already late here and I need to get on with my trades as well, man. Come on now, come on. So peace.